Sixth day by Sally Charnock. Genesis 1:25. It was the day 6. Human and animals. We read in Hebrew Bible. We read Wayaas Elohim et Hayat Haares Lemenehu. And God made the beast on earth and its kind. We'et habehema limeneho, and the cattle in its kinds. We'et kal romes haadama limeneho, and all the creeping things in its kind. We'et Elohim ki tov, and God saw it good. Wayomer Elohim na ase Adam baselemo kedmo teno, and God said, let us make man in our image. Wayeredu bedagat hayam, to rule over the fish of the sea. Obeo hasamayim, and the birds of the skies. Obabehema obekal haares, and the cattle throughout the land. Obekal haromes al haares, and all creeping things on earth. In Genesis 1:27, read in the Hebrew Bible, Wayibra Elohim et Haadam baselemo, and God created man in his image. Baselem Elohim bara otam, in the image of God he created them. Sakar oben onekeba bara otam, male and female created he them. In Genesis chapter 1 verse 28, in the Hebrew Bible we read, Waibarek otam Elohim, and God blessed them. Wayomer lahem Elohim, and God said to them, Peru orebu, go and multiply. Wa umeleu et haares, and fill the earth. Wekabasa weredu bedagat hayam, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea. Obeo hasamayim, and the birds in the sky. Obekal haya haromes set al haares, and all the creeping things on earth. In Genesis chapter 1 verse 29 we read, Wayomer Elohim, and God said, Hine netati lakem et kal eseb sorea sera, I will give you the herbs yielding seed. Aser al peni kal haares, in all the earth. We'et kal haes aser bo peri es sorea sera, and all the trees that bear fruits, that yield seeds. Lakem, Yeye leokla. These are your foods. In Genesis chapter 30, chapter 1, verse 30, we read in the Hebrew Bible, Ulekal Hayat Haares, and all the beasts of the earth, Ulekal of Hasamayim, and all the birds in the sky, Ulekal Romes al Haares, and all that creeps on the earth, Aser, Bo, Nepes, Haya, et Kal, Yerek, Eseb, Leakla, Yeye, Yhi, Ken, and all the living creatures and all the living creatures, the herbs shall be their food. And it was so. In Genesis chapter 1, verse 31, Wayara Elohim et kal Aser Ase o Weheni Tob Meod, and God saw what he did was very good. Yhi Ereb, Yhi Boker, Yom Hasisi, in the evening and the morning, the sixth day. These are the Hebrew words that we should understand and memorize. Baselem Elohim, the image of God. The Hebrew word Sakar means male. The Hebrew word Onekeba means female. The Hebrew word Hayat means beast. The Hebrew word Habehema means cattle. The Hebrew word Romes Haadama means creeping on earth. The Hebrew word Eseb means herbs. And the Hebrew word Serah means seed. The Hebrew word Etz means tree. So this is our Hebrew lesson this week, and thank you for watching my video. God bless you.